Well, I've got the 351 for the van almost put together. I'm on the last step, which is, I mean, other than torquing everything down to spec, I need to put these manifolds on, and I found, I've known there was a big ass crack in them, but I was gonna just buy headers, but I'm gonna end up having to throw these back on there just because some stuff came up, and I can't be dropping a bunch of money on car parts, so I'm gonna have to go ahead and give it a shot repairing these. All I got's a MIG welder, and it's like $70 for the freaking cast iron stick electrodes. I've seen that people preheat it. I'm gonna try doing this without a filler rod. I already tried throwing a weld bead on there and didn't get it hot enough, and it just re-cracked right away. So I'm gonna play around with this. Alright, so I went ahead and poured some sand on this and left it out in the sun. If I could do this all again, I would have waited for a colder day, because this gets hot as hell with the torch and the welder going. But anyways, got this one. I'm gonna go ahead and grind out this crack. Same deal. I've noticed that with the MIG gun kind of swirling it in there, and definitely push it, don't drag it, but swirl the filler wire in there as you weld, and that tends to do it. I usually just do one little glob, take that away, get the torch on there, pull the torch away so it doesn't blow away my shielding gas, do another little glob, and then keep going as I go. So I'm gonna go ahead and grind this out, and you can take a peek at that. I'll go ahead and state ahead of time that I do not mean pretty, but these welds turned out okay. There's no cracks, and it doesn't look like there's a bunch of undercut on the ends of it like there was the first time I did it. So usually there's a crack that would form right dead, literally like right dead center right on top of the other one. You'd hear the little ping and it was cracked, but sat out there in the heat, in the sand, sun directly on it for like probably 4 or 5 hours, maybe longer. I wanted to grind it just to make it flush, but I think that extra material will probably help once it's in the car. But anyways, that's, like I said, that's not pretty.
Well, I don't feel a bunch of air pouring out of here anymore, so that's probably a good sign. I'd say we fixed it.